let us move to the much awaited award ceremony. To begin today's award ceremony, we would like to firstly thank all awardees for taking their time to be here today to receive the Kailasa Om Award and to be part of this global peace conclave on the occasion of Kailasa's Mahaparamashivratri. We would like to thank our guest of honor as well and all the viewers who have joined us from across 100 countries, either on the international Nithyananda TV or viewing us on the various social media platforms. We thank you for being here. Yes, so our first award that is being conferred is the Kailasa Shushruta Award, conferred upon those with distinguished service in the field of medicine. And now we would like to welcome Mr. Dr. Boris Vene from Slovenia. Yes, so Mr. Vene is considered one of the greatest authorities in the field of holistic health, personal growth, and crisis management. He shares his knowledge through unique coaching, which he carries out for the needs of company development and the personal growth of leading personnel. In recent years, he's been known primarily for authoring workshops that maintain health and vitality. Mr. Boris Vene, we warmly welcome you, sir, and we kindly invite you to please share a few words.
Thank you. I'm grateful for the recognition received and extend my thanks. It was 25 years ago when Sai Baba in Putta Party blessed me signing my book. And at that moment, I knew I had been entrusted with a great responsibility. Soon thereafter, during a period of meditation, I received inspiration to initiate the Active Heart Squared movement, which is represented by the acronym. This movement is designed to foster an attitude of active engagement and openness while promoting kindness and compassion towards others and acknowledging the impact of our actions on the world around us. The symbol of the Active Heart Square movement appears to be in motion, embodies the idea of adopting a practical and grounded approach to living from the heart. Moreover, the movement advocates the principle of dedicating an hour every month to perform an act of kindness or service towards others, animals, or the environment, and without any expectations of return. In essence, Active Heart Square movement encourages individuals to take concrete actions from the heart, thereby making a positive difference in the world. Recently, the Active Heart Square movement symbol was imprinted on silver coins and internationally awarded to philanthropic leaders. I look forward to further, this is the silver coin, I look forward to further collaboration for the betterment of humankind, animals, and nature. Sairam.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Mr. Boris Vene, for the good work that you're doing and for your contribution to humanity, to bring oneness, not just among human beings, but also among the animals, among all the beings on planet Earth. Thank you so much for your contribution.
Thank you, Sairam.
I welcome all the award recipients with my love, respect, blessings. Thank you for doing what you are doing and being who you are. Mr. Boris Vene, Holistic Health Specialist, Slovenia,